The power of reading English newspapers professionally. Dear viewer, here, you will be shown everything with an example, so that you could be able to learn English professionally. Now look and watch this example. Rahul had always admired professionals who could glance at a newspaper and extract valuable insights in minutes. Determined to master this skill, he sought guidance from his mentor, Mr. Mehra, a senior journalist. One morning, Mr. Mehra invited Rahul to his office and handed him a copy of the Times Daily. Reading a newspaper professionally isn't about reading everything. It's about reading efficiently, he said. Rahul unfolded the paper eagerly. 1. Start with the headlines. Mr. Mehra tapped the front page. Scan the headlines first. This gives you a snapshot of the day's most important events. Rahul nodded and quickly read the bold titles, noting key topics like politics, business, and world affairs. 2. Read the lead paragraphs. Each news article follows the inverted pyramid style, Mr. Mehra explained. The first paragraph gives the most crucial details: who, what, when, where, and why. If it's relevant, read further. If not, move on. Rahul read the opening lines of major stories, summarizing them in his mind before moving to the next. 3. Focus on editorials and opinions. A professional doesn't just consume facts. They analyze perspectives, Mr. Mehra said. He pointed to the editorial section. These columns help you understand different viewpoints and improve critical thinking. Rahul spent extra time on an editorial about global trade policies, appreciating the depth of analysis. 4. Business and finance for market trends. If you want to stay ahead, track the economy, Mr. Mehra advised. Companies, investments, stock market trends. These impact everyone, no matter your profession. Rahul skimmed the business pages, noting fluctuations in stock prices and reading expert opinions on market trends. 5. Skim sports and lifestyle for general awareness. A well-rounded professional knows a little about everything, Mr. Mehra added. A conversation about last night's football match can help in networking. Rahul quickly glanced through the sports section and a lifestyle piece about digital well-being. 6. Use a notebook for key takeaways. Before leaving, Mr. Mehra handed Rahul a small notepad. Write down 3 key takeaways daily. It sharpens your memory and helps in discussions. Rahul jotted down: government plans new tax reforms. Global oil prices are rising. AI is revolutionizing the job market. As he left, Rahul felt empowered. The newspaper was no longer just words on a page. It was a tool for knowledge and growth. From that day forward, he read the news not just as a reader, but as a professional. The end. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more beautiful skills.